Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make the clay and mandala art using the clay coils and these mirror pieces. First, apply the oil to the bowl. Here I've taken 1/3 cup of glue. First, take 2 teaspoons of glue into the bowl. Then take a tissue paper. I'll cut this tissue paper into half. And then I'll mix half tissue paper with the glue. Mix it well, and then I'm gonna add another half tissue paper, and again I'll mix it well. This mixture must be like a fine paste, and then I'll add remaining glue and mix it. Next I'll add 1 cup of chalk powder and mix it well. If the mixture is too dry, you can add the glue too. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and then mold the clay finely. Our clay is ready, and now I'll apply little oil and store it in the airtight container. It's time to see how this clay works. So I've taken little clay and I'll mold it well. I need to make some coils for the mandala art. With the help of cardboard, you can make the coil thin. And now this coil is ready. I'll apply the glue on the cardboard and stick these coils. I'll make some marks on the coil. Then I'll apply primer. Here I'm gonna paint 2 shades. One is orange and another is pink, which is one of my most favorite shades. I'll blend pink and orange color on the petals, and then I'll apply pink color. As I didn't get my expected pink shade, I added little bit of red color to the pink and mixed it. Here I'll use some different shape pieces which I made it from CDs, where most of the people use mirror pieces. Instead of using mirror pieces, you can also use these CD pieces which will look exactly like mirror pieces, and you can cut whichever shape you like. Now this mandala art is completely ready. Thank you all for watching this video.